I'll tell you what, I'm sick of blurring out my license plate in post, and while video editing apps are making this process easier, I'd rather just avoid it altogether and save a bunch of time. So I got this idea for making a little insert that goes into the front and back license plate that you just slide in before you start filming, and then you'll never have to worry about your license plate being in the shot ever again. Now in the past I have done this with cardboard, but it's a little bit annoying to do that every time. Cardboard isn't waterproof, it gets damaged quickly, and so I want to make something out of plastic that I'll do once and then I'll have them for good. They'll just live in the car and I'll never have to muss around with this process ever again. So, long story short, this is going to be a quick and dirty video about how to not ever have to blur out your license plate ever again. Alright, let's hop to it. So, I have little license plate covers for the front and back of my car. This is just a way to advertise my services. I figure if it's available, might as well utilize it. And then I also bought some really inexpensive plastic cutting boards. There's 3 of them. I think all 3 were about $4. You can buy them at any department store, Walmart, Target, whatever, wherever you feel comfortable shopping, they probably have them. Then I figured I'm going to cut them with scissors, and I'm going to use a Sharpie to mark it. And from the looks of it, it looks like I might even be able to fit 2 license plate covers on 1 cutting board. So let's try that. My idea for this is to just trace out a little plastic sheath, make little tabs at the top and the bottom so that they slide right in, and hopefully that'll work. Alright, let's see if it happens. So, get it where you want it, trace it. I said trace it carefully. And then don't forget to leave yourself a little space for tabs. This is what's going to hold your license plate in. So let's do one and see if it works, and then if it works we'll do the other one. Probably a good idea to round all the corners because you don't want them sharp, you don't want them stabbing you. And then theoretically you can insert that guy in there and it should hold. Maybe if I were to do it again I should leave this bottom tab bigger. So let's make another one and fix my mistakes. Look at that, second one I'm already so much better. Let's leave nice and long tabs because we can always shorten them. Probably what I should have done out the gate, but I can't think that many steps ahead. I'm a YouTuber, not a rocket scientist. So now that should hold a little bit better. And maybe we can kind of mark at what point we want it to be cut. Maybe that'll work. Alright, that should work. Let's go try it. It works. Come look. So there you have it, folks. That's a quick, simple, and cheap way to cover up your license plates, so you never have to spend time doing it in your editing software. Please, please, please don't use this tutorial for criminal activity. I'm not trying to help you escape from the police. I'm only trying to help you be safe out there and not expose your identity when you don't need to. Now I'm off the hook because of that disclaimer. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.